Hi guys, thanks for supporting my channel. Robotic welding. The robotic welding is the advanced technology. All of you know, seen the videos in YouTube's like that. You know how they are working and all. Mainly, they are used in automobile industries. Nowadays, the technology is developing. So, without manpower, they are utilizing the robots for welding activities, assembly, car assembly, and all other fabrication, um, other technical activities. Also, they are including the robots. But for this section, we will discuss about the robotic welding. It's mainly it's automatic technology that is used the programming method, the coordination, polar coordination, Cartesian coordination. You studied in robotics engineering. That will you have to using like a CNC programming. Then you have to set the program how the arm will be working and all, where the welding activities will be happening and all. We have to set the program, uh, as well as the welding part as well as the welding, both of them will be handled by the programmatic. That will be uh, automatically sensed by the robots and they will do the work. It is a basic thing. GMAW process basically they are using, and also arc welding and spot welding also they are utilizing for this robot welding technology. So this is the latest technology they are using in industries, fabrication units, as well as mainly in automobile industries. You will see the video how this robots is used for the welding activities. Thank you.